talk about the motorcycle, which is the standing and riding position.
That's Adi.
What's up guys?
After a long time. Malli.
What's up guys? कैसे हो? Hello Naru.
People were asking for you from a long time. They're all missing you. It seems you're not coming in the vlogs. And you see the Duke finally after almost 1 year. Almost 1 year. Last year Ladakh it came out properly. And there we have Pingu the pilot on his beautiful Thruxton. I came in my car. I am riding the Street Triple. I know you guys, and actually we also forgot this bike. That we have this bike bulke. And I'm gonna ride the Thruxton. Suju on his new Africa Twin. Half tank. And as usual, I forgot a lot of things. I forgot my gloves. I forgot my Sena. Everyone has Sena. They're all connected now. I'm not able to talk to them. But I asked Kishore to get his Sena. I'm jealous now. These people are all on Sena and they're talking to each other. I'm alone. That is Africa Twin. Today Srijan is gonna do some off-roading.
कैसे हो? Hello Naru.
हो गया वो आदि दे दिया introduction. Look at this. Tallest part of the bike is the rear view mirror. It goes under the Africa Twin. And as you guys can see, it's a beautiful weather here. Little bit drizzle over. We have to go almost like 50 kilometers, 30 to 40 kilometers from here to this off-roading event by BMW once again. And one of the main reasons I did not get my Tiger is because it's not a proper off-roading bike. But you know, when I go to this off-roading events, when I see little bit of off-road, I get so tempted and I start drifting and doing all that stupid stuff on the XR, on my Tiger XR, which is not meant for off-roading. Already thoda sa bend aa gaya rim mein, so I don't want to risk it more. And oh yeah, how can we not talk about the Street Triple, the legendary Street Triple that went to Ladakh. That is the Africa Twins. ఆయన అక్కడ కొడుతుందా కొట్టరా ఒకసారి అంత దూరం వస్తుందా. That was the amazing sound of the Africa Twin. But if you want some revving sound, if you want some sporty sound, nothing can beat this bike. With the Aero exhaust, it sounds amazing. Hey, I met my lovely subscriber. What's your name?
What?
What's your name? Nitin?
Yeah.
That's Nitin on his Pulsar 220.
I love your vlog, man. I really love it.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Chalo, catch you later.
Yeah, thank you.
Bye. Okay, quick break here. We are waiting for Naresh. Yendra is What is this, Adi? Are Mankal jata raha hai. Arey, look at this. This is the problem with the Street Triple. पीछे से उड़ के पूरा इधर गिरता. So Chanti is gonna come along with Sujan as a pillion. Oh yeah, it is Mankali Jatra in Hyderabad, and the next 1 week at least it's gonna be like this full-on festive season. To be very, very careful with the speed breakers. Among all the Triumphs, Street Triple has the lowest ground clearance. Lowest, like lower than the Thruxton. This is called the Potraj. Already tall and no pine 5th floor lo no. Shall I tell you a craziest fact about the Street Triple?
Huh?
The Street Triple and the Duke are the same weight.
Yeah, I know.
110 bhp, 43 bhp. Same weight. So you can imagine how bad of a squid you can be on this bike. Ade, straight road, Kali road. Come on, red lights. Custom. Oh God, oh God, oh God. Look at the sound, yaar. Crazy, crazy, crazy sounds. Freak, man. This is a freak. And it started raining, so I think I have to put my GoPro inside, yaar. You don't need a horn on this bike. You want to listen to this? This bike tempts you so much to do high speeds, yeah. Very scary bike. Very bad bike actually. Fuel, huh? इधर आएगा खतरनाक sound. You know why I got this bike here? You know why I got the bike here? To do this. फुल फेस्टिव सीजन चल रहा, इधर पार्किंग भी कर दिया पूरा रोड पे. I'm a little bit conscious about filtering this bike right now because it's all slippery. If we take this flyover and go, this is a PVNR expressway, one of the longest expressways in the country, 11.5 kilometers or something. This directly goes to the airport. It doesn't go through the city. And if you go on that flyover, I think you can reach the airport in another 10 or 15 minutes. No, half an hour. No, 20 minutes. And bikes are not allowed on this expressway. Flyover ke niche it will be like this, full market. Full traffic सामने, red line. ये देखो U-turn मार रहा डिवाइडर के ऊपर. One thing I did not like about this 3 is mainly these. The choto rear view mirrors are very tiny for my eyes. Not able to see anything. They are so straight, I think. Green, chalo. అదే కూర్చో నీది ఏడీవి కాదురా రే ఫుడ్ ప్యాక్స్ ఇరిగిపోతాయి. Okay, this is the event area. This is the second time we're coming to the same place, same batch. Adi, did you come that time? వర్షం పడుతుంది కదా మెల్లగా వచ్చాం. అయితే ఫైనలీ షో మీ యువర్ ఫేస్.
What's up guys? कैसे हो? ఎలా ఉన్నారు?
జుట్టు కాదు ఫేస్ చూపి. ఎవ్రీవన్ ఇస్ మిస్సింగ్ యూ.
థ్యాంక్స్ మ్యాన్.
థ్యాంక్స్ వ్లాగ్స్ లో రా కొంచెం రైట్స్ లో రా. ఓకే గోయింగ్. ఓకే మెట్ సమ్ సబ్స్క్రైబర్స్ హియర్. రంజిత్. Did you write? Your name?
I'm Pratik.
Pratik, you don't follow me, I guess.
No,
I can make that out from your face, no problem.
Right, I'll definitely will subscribe.
Why are you not coming on our vlogs? Vlogs, no, he's not even meeting us. It's been almost 10 or 15 days since we met.
Yeah, more than that.
Yeah, more than that actually. Rides though, last he came to Ladakh. No?
Literally?
I'm late? Yeah, I know. We were waiting for the rain to go down.
Why? As in, I was sick.
కష్టజీవి మాలా కాకుండా.
I was sick.
ఇది మా కష్టం.
I was sick. Busy with
was
work.
sick, I told you, right?
Busy with work. Because I took a month off.
Hi.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. What is your name? I forgot. Vikas. Captain.
America.
Shiva. Where you came in the car? This is Archana.
Hi.
Bahubali's wife. Where is Bahubali?
Jai Maheshwari.
That's Shraddha. And this is
Deep.
Deep.
No.
ये नाम भूल गया
I did
Deep.
not forget his name, but
Deep.
suddenly his name.
Deep. It's okay, Deep.
Okay, that's Deep. He was there in one of my videos. Which video was that? ZXNR delivery video. Bahubali. Yo. Bahubali will not say anything. He'll just say yo and get out.
అవును టైర్ ఎందుకు తీసుకోవాలి కదా?
ఎక్కడ ఎగరేస్తుందని. This is the GS. Just the GS 1250 or 1250. And I'm gonna ride this one. This is the GSA, right? GSA 30-liter tank, right? Look at it, so huge. ఏం కలరు? కలమాట. ఆర్మీ గ్రీన్ బేసిక్గా సింపుల్గా చెప్పుకోవాలంటే. ఓ గాడ్, జీన్స్ కే సాత్ ఐ వోర్ మై రైడింగ్ ప్యాంట్స్. ఇట్ ఫీల్ సో టైట్. ట్రై చేస్తే ఒక రౌండ్ వేసేసి చూద్దాం. It's an Enduro. That's fine. Okay.
Go.
Oh, what a smooth bike, yeah. Especially after riding the street triple till now. Ektava? Yeah, after riding the street triple, this feels so soft and smooth. पहले 1-2-3 राउंड आराम से मारेंगे, then we can rip the bike a little bit. Thank you, Surja, for the content. You fell.
Go down
Squat J, proper.
and ready. 1, 2, 3, pull. Pull.
Sujana, Tinnavara.
Walk back. Walk back. Don't look down.
Right, come on.
With your right heel, engage the side stand. Keep it 90 degree. Short burst. I lift it and I walk back. Okay, we'll do a couple of out clap and we'll go back.
अरे इसमें क्या इतना स्मोक आ रहा? Why are you getting कितना स्मोक? केरोसिन डाला इसमें? One more. And this is the first time Aditya rode the BMW 750? 850 GS. You loved it, right?
It's amazing, dude. It's amazing.
Bahubali couldn't ride because
Ante inkem vadu.
shoulder injury still going on. Shiva rode, what did you ride? 1 second.
Acha.
850 GS.
850 GS. Captain rode 850 GS, he loved it.
Amazing.
I think 850 GS is the best off-roading machine ever in the BMW lineup. Kunal, do you think 850 GS is the best off-roading bike?
No, GS.
No.
Not GS.
F850 GS is the best one.
Best.
Even better than the
GSA.
1250 GS, right?
No.
In terms of off-roading.
Off-roading, yeah.
Yes, in terms of off-roading. That's what I heard.
GSA.
I think I'm suggesting you not to take the Duke and go into that off-road track. Why do you want to risk your bike? This is not an off-road bike. What do you guys think? Do you think we should take the Duke and go? Isn't it?
No. Only BMW.
నాకు నా బైక్ పైన ఫోటో కావాలరా అంతే, ఇంకేం లేదు. దానికోసం పోతున్నా.
Okay, he's going just for the photo.
Talk ఉన్నామా అన్న?
No. You're in the vlog. You're also in the vlog. అరే బాబాలే
హెల్మెట్ ముందర పెట్టు.
ఆ బండి చూడు.
Just 100 kilos.
No. 100 కాదు. 1 or 2? Joke. 100. 120. 80. 85. 20 kilos పర్లేదు. అయితే come in one piece.